This might be the first phone in a long time that feels like iQOO walked into the flagship market and basically said, "All right, everyone move aside," because the latest iQOO 16 leaks are getting seriously wild. We are talking next-generation flagship power, a display that sounds almost overkill, huge battery upgrades, and camera rumors that honestly make this thing look like a gaming beast mixed with a camera phone. And if these leaks are even close to accurate, this could become one of the most aggressive flagship phones of the year. Stay till the end because one specific upgrade completely changed how I look at this device. Also, if you enjoy tech videos with straight facts and zero filler, hit subscribe right now and smash that like button because it genuinely helps the channel and lets me keep making videos like this. Alright, so let's start with performance because this is usually where iQOO goes absolutely crazy. The iQOO series has built a reputation around raw speed, and according to current leaks, the iQOO 16 could be powered by Qualcomm's next flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro processor. Just hearing that name already sounds powerful. And if rumors are true, this chip could bring a huge jump in gaming performance and power efficiency. Pair that with faster memory support and aggressive optimization, and this thing is shaping up to be an absolute monster. Like, imagine launching heavy games instantly, switching between apps with no lag, and pushing crazy frame rates without the phone even breaking a sweat. That's exactly the kind of stuff iQOO fans love. Now, the display situation is where things become kind of ridiculous. Leaks suggest iQOO is testing a huge 6.85-inch Samsung flat display with a refresh rate potentially reaching 165 Hz, and some reports even mention 185 Hz. Seriously, 185 Hz on a phone. We already call 120 Hz smooth and 144 Hz feels insanely fast, but iQOO apparently looked at that and said not enough. For gaming, this could be absolutely nuts. Scrolling, animations, competitive shooters, racing games, everything could feel insanely fluid. And if software developers actually optimize for this level of refresh rate, we could be looking at one of the smoothest smartphone experiences ever. Now, before we continue, I want your opinion because this is actually interesting. Would you notice a difference between 144 Hz and 165 Hz in everyday use, or are brands just entering a spec war at this point? Drop your answer below, and while you're down there, hit subscribe and like because we are getting very close to some huge smartphone launches this year. Now, cameras are where things start becoming a little confusing. Different leaks are saying different things. Some reports mention a huge 200-megapixel primary camera, while others suggest iQOO might go with a larger 50-megapixel sensor instead. And honestly, if you ask me, I would probably choose the bigger sensor. Real-world camera performance usually matters way more than giant megapixel numbers. Better low-light shots, improved dynamic range, and more consistent photos always win. There are also rumors about a periscope zoom lens, and if that happens, things get really interesting because suddenly this stops being just a gaming phone. But honestly, the craziest upgrade might be the battery. Rumors are now pointing toward a massive battery that could cross the 8,000 mAh mark. Just pause for a second and think about that. 8,000. Combine that with an efficient next-generation processor and optimized software, and this thing could easily push into 2-day battery territory. That sounds honestly insane for a flagship-level phone with this kind of performance. Right now, nothing is officially confirmed, but from everything we know so far, the iQOO 16 is looking less like a normal yearly upgrade and more like a full power move. Faster display, flagship performance, massive battery, and upgraded cameras. If iQOO gets pricing right, this thing could seriously shake up the market. So what do you think? Is the iQOO 16 already on your radar, or are you waiting for Samsung and OnePlus to respond? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe and like for more tech videos.